Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Delhi Machine Tool Expo and I am standing in front of UCAM stall and I am here with Mr. Khandelwal from KIE Engineering. Thank you sir, thank you for your time. So please tell us about your company, what do you do?
Yeah, so I am from KIE Engineering and we are making automobile components, casted and machined components. We're supplying to one of the OEMs, top OEMs of India and abroad. So that's what we are doing. And we have 3 plants, one in Roorkee, one in Agra and one in Solapur.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have basically CNC machine shops, you have a lot of CNC
Yes,
machines.
we have a foundry unit as well as a CNC machine shop.
Fantastic. So you must be using UCAM rotary tables. So how has been your experience using their products? How is the feedback?
Yeah, so we have been using UCAM products since I think more than a decade now.
Wow,
Yeah,
fantastic.
and the relationship has been very nice. Their product is top notch. It's a very good quality product. We haven't had much problem. I guess in these past 10 years, maybe once the equipment had to be serviced.
Wow.
So we are very satisfied with them.
Fantastic. How has been the after sales response? If you call them, you are getting good.
After sales has been good.
Great.
Yes, although we are in the north area, the end point of India, but still the after sales service has been very good.
Fantastic. I wish you all the best. I hope you will keep buying the more CNC machines and more UCAM products.
I am sure.
I
Thank
wish
you
you
so
all
much.
the best, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.